In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pricing table to your Shopify website. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option called Online Store and click it. This will open up the Themes section where you can see your current live theme. On that theme, click the option to edit it. Depending on your setup, this might be labeled Customize or Edit Theme, but the idea is the same. You want to open the theme editor so you can work on the layout of your store. Once the theme editor loads, you'll see a live preview of your store on the right and a panel of sections on the left. Navigate in the preview to the page or section where you want your pricing table to appear. This might be your home page, a dedicated pricing page, or even a landing page for a specific offer. In the left panel, look for the button that says Add Section. Click that, and a list of available section types will appear. Scroll through the list until you find the option called Custom Liquid, then click it to add it to your page. This creates a flexible area where you can paste your own liquid and HTML code. Now, click on the newly added Custom Liquid section to open its settings. On the left side, you'll see a large text box where you can enter your liquid code. This is where you'll paste the pricing table code. Go ahead and copy the code shown in the video and paste it into this box. You can pause the video to make sure you copy everything correctly. This code is what displays your available plans, their prices, and their features in a structured layout. If you later want to add another pricing plan, just copy the entire code block for one existing plan, paste it directly below, and then edit the details. Change the plan name, the price, and the list of features to match what you offer. Next, let's style the table. Still within the same Custom Liquid section, scroll down until you see an option for Custom CSS. Click it, and a new text box for custom styles will appear. Copy the CSS code shown in the video and paste it into this box. Again, pause if you need more time. The styling code lets you control things like the spacing between each pricing card, text alignment, borders, padding, width, font size, and font weight, so your table looks clean and professional. As you make changes to either the liquid code or the CSS, keep an eye on the live preview on the right. This helps you immediately see how your pricing table is shaping up and adjust details until you're happy with the layout and design. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. After saving, your pricing table will be live on your Shopify site, ready for your customers to view and compare your plans.